Hello beautiful family, welcome back again to another episode. Today I'm so excited to share with you this amazing ice cream recipe. This is chocolate and milk ice cream. You can choose to call it Abelewalls, any way you want to call it. And I know after watching this video you're going to love making your own ice creams in the house, trust me. So let's get started. For my ingredients, I have in whipped cream powder, evaporated milk powder, ice cubes, and my chocolate powder. So let's get started. In my mixing bowl, I'll add in my ice cubes. To that, I'll add in my whipped cream powder, my evaporated milk. So I'm going to mix these two until it thickens up very well. With the help of the ice cubes, this is really going to thicken up. As you can see, it's very watery now. I will stir until it thickens up. And if you don't want this hand mixing method and you think this is too hard for you and you want to use your blender or your hand mixer, trust me, you are good to go. And this is the right consistency I'll be going for. Just look at that, it's very creamy and heavy now. So I'll add in my powdered milk. To that, I'll add in 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. So I'll be stirring these two together until everything is nice and well incorporated. And if you are new to this channel, welcome back to Cooking with Efia. This is a foodie channel and I know you're going to love staying in here because I have great recipes coming your way. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are always the best. Thank you for coming back as always, and please subscribe for more videos like this. In a separate bowl, I scoop some of my ice cream into it, and using a strainer, I'll be straining my chocolate powder to my ice cream because I really want a smooth texture. And if you really want some crunchiness in your ice cream, you can feel free to add it if you want. So next, I'll stir this until everything is nice and well mixed. And now we have our milk ice cream and also our chocolate ice cream nicely done. So I'm going to scoop this into my ice cream containers very nicely and keep this in my refrigerator. And guys, after making this ice cream recipe for your family and friends, trust me, they will start calling you #1 chef because this ice cream is very delicious and easy to prepare as well. One thing I always tell my family members and friends is that always try to do something on your own, or try to do something for yourself, because this thing saves money and also saves time as well. And now our chocolate and milk ice cream is ready and nicely done. Just look at how it looks, so nice and tasty as well. So I'll add in my ice cream sticks to it and keep this in my refrigerator for at least 6 hours or overnight. And yes, it's been 8 hours of freezing this ice cream, and just look at how nice it looks. Next, I'm going to put my ice cream into my water over there for easy removal. I really find it difficult removing this, so I have to use the help of this water. Yes, so just see how I was able to remove my ice cream from my containers. Very easy and nice. Just look at that. And guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video to reach wider audience, and click on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And guys, if you've watched this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. I am so grateful to have you guys. Thanks for supporting me, and also bye bye and stay blessed.